run around the store. What's your favorite?
Do you want me to give a camera look? Right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite piece amongst all the 6 collaborated pieces?
What is my favorite piece among all the collaborated art? What I find very interesting is the artist, the contemporary artist, has had a jugalbandi with the traditional tribal artist. To me, that's fabulous because you look at the two different interpretations towards the same thing, and what comes out is absolutely stunning. It could go in a contemporary home, in a traditional home. So when you ask me what is my favorite, it becomes very difficult to answer because it's like comparing chicken to mutton. I mean, each thing has its own beauty, and each of the pieces is dramatic. The bench is stunning. Gurcharan Das has painted on a carved bench. I feel like owning that bench. The screen is really dramatic, and it's very evocative of tribal art with the goats and the snakes and the use of gold. The book is beautiful because it's got different views of India, and the artist, the contemporary artist Brinda, has looked at Mumbai through her lens, and the tribal artist has this naive way of interpreting it, which is very interesting too. And then, of course, my hot favorite, Jaya Lamba, who's done a lamp, a Japanese, Zen lamp with a tribal tree, and her contemporary painting on one facet of the lamp. So, please tell me, how am I supposed to choose my favorite? Everything stands out and looks dramatic.
So now we've approached you to be an auctioneer for our, for all the pieces. What's your take on that, and how positively are you taking it?
The fact that you approached me to be an auctioneer for this event is a compliment, because to be able to be part of something, to be able to be part of change in our society, to bring awareness about adoption, cause, to be able to stand there and be able to encourage corporates and head honchos to buy is a fabulous place to be in. It makes me feel involved. It makes me feel like I'm part of change and a difference. I do feel that to a large extent Indians procreate so much. They love having children. But have they ever stopped and thought of parenting and adopting, which is even more beautiful and selfless?
Marathi?
I missed Alzan. I mentioned all the artists.
And I also missed one thing, but Shabani as well.
Vijay ji? One second. Come here. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's behind this whole book that you have created?
In fact, when Shibani suggested that I do something regarding, of course, a collaboration with a crafts person, which I like to take the credit for, that was my idea. I thought I'll do something different, because to do, to paint a piece of furniture, I've done all that before, but I just thought, let me do something different. And suddenly it came to my mind that we should do a book. So I had this idea of doing a book. It was a very, very comfortable collaboration, because there was the craftsman doing one side of it and there was me doing the other part of it. The craftsman did the work first after a brief, and the interesting thing was that how I could adapt to that work, because he had, of course, done it with a fixed mind. Like, as all Indian craftsmen, they have this fixed idea that they have to do it in in a certain way. So I wanted to introduce mainly several little elements. One was, of course, doing Mumbai. Mumbai is a theme after my heart. I'm very fond of this city, and I really want to do something for it. So I thought, and of course the cause, which is adoption, child adoption, which is also was not the theme of the book, but the cause itself is the theme, you can say. And the combination of being an artist, working with a craftsman, working within a theme, I think it all worked out extremely well.
And you came to Bharat, you must have worked in various art forms. So why did you choose India style?
Well, I think it is an extremely, Patachitra is a sort of illustrative way of working, which works within a book. I think working in a book, you have to be a good illustrator. So for me, I think it gave me more scope to kind of work around the theme of the craftsperson.
Jammi. You're the only one who asked.
This one?
Yeah, I want you to put it after this one. It's important. Anna will also know. I'm just not motivated. I think someone's journey is basically. Maybe it's a flight for Deepika.
Just ask for the seat.
Deepika, so much water.